Yo, 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 what the fuck is up? Like, I can barely see my OBS, but fuck it. I was requested a tutorial about how I do, like, arrange my beats and such. And I just want to make it, so I was making this digichord type beat. Let me just, because I can't see my fucking OBS right here. Is it even recording? Yeah, it's recording. So if I want to start like arranging a beat, I have to make like a 9-bar loop. Like you can see, I will play it right now. And we have like sounds here from my newest sound kit as well, like this spark loop. It's really crazy, man. And basically what we want to do is to just arrange it in a way that the beat is not too cluttery, like we don't have much going on at the same time, and we have like we want to arrange it in interesting ways, so there are not sounds clashing, like you can see on my master right here, like I already EQ'd them. I will mix them later, I will show you that as well. I have my master channel on, it's also will be included in my newest drum kit. So let's get straight to it. Like I need to make this my microphone here, like I think. So what I usually do is I always like start with this 9-bar loop, and we want to make this 9-bar loop a 9-bar intro. Like this is a 5-bar loop because like it's in the 160 BPM. If this would be higher, we should like have 9 bars. But let's fuck it, like just let's copy everything, and this will be our intro. So this is 9 bars, so let's just delete all the percussion. And for the intro, I usually like also don't have the perc loop, and I have this is the bass line, so I have the bass line playing from the 5-bar mark. And let's see how it sounds right now. So this melody has like so many parts to that, so probably I want to like eliminate some of them. So maybe this lead, for example. Yeah, we can get rid of this lead and also like introduce this plug later. So maybe something like this. Or maybe not. Yeah, this should work. So usually like my advice is to just play with the melodies and see what is really like important. Like you want to build the tension, but not like have just one sound playing, because this will be boring. So I usually do it like this. Here I'm gonna put my tag on.
I hate in vain.
So what I also recommend is to just have like this preset I have here. I also included this in my newest drum kit, my prod tag preset. It's just a fast way to mix your producer tag, so you don't have to like do all the shit. All like you don't want do this shit like each and every time from scratch, right?
I hate in vain.
And here also like need trick, we can switch to beat. So we'll just leave this melody. We will just yeah, and we can like reverse this and make like that. Make this short reverse here. And also for the start of the like bar, I like to do crashes, so like this, and also effects like this, which will be also included in my drum kit. Which one was that? Like this one. Okay, so we have the intro done pretty much. So we want to now focus on to focus on the hook, right? So we don't want all the sounds playing right now. So let's just copy that. And as I said previously, we want the lead to be introduced later. And maybe like open hats from here and accent snares from there. So we can have like everything playing from here. And we also can like cancel those plugs here. Okay, and like we can cut from here. So in that way, like we will have just bass with percussion, and this gives us like this neat transition between the bars. Here we can just leave it as this, I think. Yeah, and we can listen to that, then we can like reintroduce crash here, and we can work on the part which like while I make digicore beats, I like to make first the like normal part. Then I just cancel the kick and do the clap part. I will show you in a second how does this look. But just let's listen. If you with experience, you obviously like I don't have to listen every time I cancel because I remember which sound which sound do what basically. So this like comes with experience, but let's just see. Yeah, so I'm pretty happy with this result. So let's just make this next next 8 bars like this. We don't have the kick, and we also again switch up the melody. This plug has been playing for too long right now. And for the clap part, I actually think I want to those 3 melodies with the bass. And to just make this like clap pattern, it's really simple. You just you don't have to make like all the new patterns and such. You just want to make it like this, and look. Oops. So kick plays every 1 bar, like every 4 bar. Clap here, and between that a hi-hat or an open hat. But this is too much, I think. Or am I wrong? Here. Yeah, it should be fine right now. We also want to shorten the kick a little bit. Okay. And shortcuts also really come in handy. So for example, to copy it like this, you hold the shift and left click. And then we can like get rid of this hi-hat here and even of the clap. I think that just the kick will be enough. And let's just prolong this part and duplicate the crash. And here as well. Okay, so basically that like part of the beat is done. So what we really are left after listening to just copy, just select here bar, copy with right click and just duplicate this part again. And we can probably erase this and here do this like little outro. Again, we can do crash here. And this is basically it. Like for the YouTube type beats, this like you don't have to do this crazy arrangement. If you feel like you can do it. What works for me and how I arrange my beats so they are not boring. You have transitions, you have like freaky cuts on here, like you have different parts, you have parts with no kick, like you have parts with the dance part. So let's just see how the beat sounds overall. Let me just play it from the start.
I hate in vain.
Yeah, so basically it sounds like this. I don't think I will be editing this video hard because I just want you to see the raw process of that. So let me just like here little adjustments. What you can also do is just do this like kick, like this kick roll here on the last bar, so it will sound like this. And I also like erased this perk loop because it was playing for too long. So what you will need like to take this from this video is basically just don't overcomplicate it, don't like make too much shit which does not make sense, and try exchanging patterns. Like you see, rarely like pattern is playing maybe this plug like for longer than 9 to 18 bars. So just like do this and listen, you will have a feel for it if you make enough beats. Project took me 36 minutes from start to finish. Made this beat in 36 minutes, so this is really achievable for anyone who wants. And this is it from my side. Like, go buy my drum kit, it will be released soon. If you want specific help, coaching, blah blah blah, all this stuff, my socials are down below. Feel free to contact me. Bye bye.